If you have V3 pedals, you will see these two holes for damper installation. First, you need to put two aluminum bushings in place, then install the damper with the screws supplied. If your pedals don't have these holes, you need to install damper retrofit kit for V1 or V2 pedals. After you tighten the screws well, you should check damper operation. And since we ship damper with the slightest damping force, you should increase the force to your liking. To install damper on older pedals, we first need to install special damper plate, which is installed into the same holes as the cam profile. Therefore, we need to unscrew the cam profile first, and then use longer screws supplied in the damper retrofit kit to install this special plate. For next step, we need to disassemble the back of the pedals, as we need to replace M8 screw with a longer one. Once unscrewed, move pedals backside to the right. Remove excess parts and don't lose any of them. Now we need both Allen key and the hex key to unscrew the main axis. At this moment, back assembly is free and will fall off. Don't worry, just don't lose any of the parts and the bearing. Put them back in place if they fall off. We can now start assembling the damper. You will need long screws supplied with the damper retrofit kit and aluminum standoff. You need to push it through the hole and assemble the bearings and everything together. Then tighten the nut from the bottom side, but make sure you don't over tighten, as you may crush the bearing. You are now ready to assemble back of the pedals in place to the base plate. Now we move to the front of the damper. First put aluminum standoff and then tighten with a shorter M8 screw. Then check the operation of the damper and adjust to your liking. Damper can also be installed to move over the center of the pedals. For that, you need to rotate the damper clamp. Just make sure you tighten it approximately to the same place as before. After this procedure, damper motion will be over the center of the pedal.